Uh, Hello, good morning. Thank you for opportunity of writing talk in this great conference. Today, I will talk about the PyCon APAC. Before that, let me introduce myself. I'm Takanori Suzuki. I am core staff of all PyCon JP events and board member of PyCon JP General Incorporated Associations. Why then, I'll return the story about PyCon APAC. Do you know PyCon APAC? APAC means Asia Pacific region. All past events was held in Singapore. However, PyCon APAC this year will be held in Japan. Yeah, thanks. Thanks. I describe about this event. The event will be held in middle of September. Would you check your schedule now? Yeah, you check your calendar. Check now. The theme of the event is the Year of Python. This year is Snake Year once in 12. Let's excitement about Python together. And the first keynote speaker is Georg Brandl, who is famous as release manager and Sphinx developer. We want many proposals and sponsors and attendees from all over the world. But our website is not ready yet. Stay tuned. Thanks. By the way, I take some previous PyCon JP goods for PyCon Taiwan attendees. You want this? Please contact me after this presentation in the reception time tomorrow. Now I change topics. I think that there is many problems in PyCon for the first time in Japan. Language barrier is one of typical issue, I think. 言語の壁 In Japanese, 言語の壁 is wall of language, means language barrier in Japanese. Then I have a question. What if there is some wall in front of you? Think. Close your eyes. Break down. Bypass. My opinion is different. I'm climb up the wall. Why climb? Look at my self-introduction slide. I'm founder of Python Bouldering Club in Japan. Bouldering is a type of climbing category. We only climb every month, every day, every week. Do not do programming. We develop a body of their own. Look at it. We call the club name is Kabe-Pi. Kabe is a wall in Japanese. And we created the Kabe-Pi t-shirts, and today I wear it. Now, I have another question. What if there is a big problem like a huge rock in front of you? My answer is, climb up. I believe I will be made of overcoming such difficulties to be useful in my life. Today, I talked two stories. First is PyCon APAC. We will hold the event in middle of September. Check your schedule. Second is Python Bouldering Club. We call it Kabe-Pi. Finally, I send this term to audience. Make a body, develop a body, build a body. Thank you. OK か。
OK，好，